Welcome, fellow travelers, to a journey off the beaten path. We're taking you on a virtual tour of some of the world's most remarkable hidden gems, waiting to be discovered by intrepid adventurers like you. Our first stop is the secluded beaches of Ilha Grande, Brazil. Far away from the tourist crowds, you can bask in the sun, snorkel in the pristine waters, and explore the island's lush rainforests. Next up, we venture to the enchanting blue city of Chefchaouen, Morocco. Lose yourself in its labyrinthine streets, adorned in shades of blue, and immerse yourself in the local culture and cuisine. Moving on to Cambodia, we unveil the remote Bang Mealia Temple, a forgotten gem amidst the Cambodian jungle. Explore its ancient ruins and intricate stone carvings without the crowds of Angkor Wat. Our European discovery takes us to Hallstatt, Austria, often dubbed the most beautiful lake town. Stroll along cobblestone streets, savor local delicacies, and capture breathtaking lakeside views. Ever dreamt of a magical experience? In New Zealand's Waitomo glowworm caves, you can marvel at the luminescent spectacle created by thousands of glowworms. It's like a journey through a starlit sky. Cascading through the forests of Iceland is the hidden gem, Gullafjarðarjökull waterfall. Tucked away behind cliffs, it's a mystical retreat for nature enthusiasts willing to seek its beauty. Finally, we conclude our journey in the Swiss Alps, visiting the charming village of Mürren. With no cars in sight, it's a tranquil escape where you can hike, ski, and savor stunning mountain vistas. These are just a few of the world's hidden gems waiting to be uncovered. So, fellow adventurers, step off the well-trodden path and make your travel experiences truly unique. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.